The Guppie from CRKT was designed by Lance Barber and Tom Stokes. It's a hard-working multi-tool with dozens of everyday uses. The adjustable wrench jaw opens to a 1/2 inch for light repair and assembly jobs. A high-carbon 2-inch stainless steel blade can be opened and closed easily using the blade slot. The removable bit carrier is a high-intensity LED light and has 2 locator posts and strong magnets to hold it securely to the Guppie's side. The removable bit and driver are held securely in place in the tail of the body. The stainless steel clip will hold the Guppie in your pocket or gear and can also be used as a money clip. The carabiner detent will open bottle caps and metal jar lids. The Guppie is a versatile multi-tool that is a convenient carry option for a variety of everyday tasks.
Want to add even more fun to your next evening at the park, beach, or camping trip? Light up the night with the colorful blaze of a flashlight disc and keep playing long after the sun goes down. With the press of a button, you can illuminate the blue, green, red, and color-changing disco LED. Plus, the flashlight is water-resistant, and it floats. Crafted with true balance for long, straight flights, the disc weighs in at 185 grams and looks, feels, and flies just like non-illuminated discs. It is hands down the best light-up flying disc ever made. With the patented LED module and fiber optics array that runs all the way to the rim, this disc is pleasantly visible and catchable from every angle. The 2 easy-to-replace 2016 lithium batteries will keep you playing for 20 hours. So snag a flashlight, grab some buddies, and head out for some nighttime fun.